دكتور محمد الشبراوي, Assistant Professor in Faculty of Engineering and Applied Sciences in Nile University. Today we will talk about the SRT Green Fund, Climate Change Adaptation and Nature Conservation. Our problem is about used tires, environmental hazard and wasted wells. Environmental risks of used tires: burning rubber tires emits dangerous gases, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide and sulfur oxides. Rubber needs for long time, up to 1,000 years, to decompose because it contains sulfur, which gives it cohesion and reduces its decomposability. The overview of these risks: recycling of used tires is one of the major environmental concerns faced by the scientific community and the governmental organizations worldwide. Every year, an estimated 1 billion tires reach their end of life, out of which only about 50% are currently being recycled, and the remaining from part of the landfills. Therefore, there is an urgent need to improve the existing and develop new applications of recycled tires products to address these shortfalls in utilization of the rate of used tires. One application, our application today, which is actively being researched, is the use of waste tires rubber as a partial replacement of conventional aggregates in concrete applications. We want to develop and study the properties of concrete mixture to accommodate tire recycling. We will start by different stages of tire shredding. The tire shredding starts with recycled tires that are shredded to be used as aggregates in cement. Concrete are classified into three categories: shredded or shaped rubber used as a coarse aggregate is produced in a two-stage process in which the primary stage shredded to tire rubber to a size 300 to 460 mm long by 100 to 230 mm wide, followed by the secondary stage that produce particle sizes ranging between 13 and 76 mm. Crumb rubber used as a fine aggregate is produced by two methods at ambient temperature using Craig mills. The fine ground rubber used is a very fine aggregate of particle size ranging from 0.5 to as small 0.075 mm, produced using micromilling or wet ringing process. After which we will make different mixes of concrete by different percentage of mixing of used rubbers instead of usual aggregates. And we will try to test all the mechanical and the physical properties of the resulting concrete. After making this result tests for different cases of different grain sizes and different mixing ratios, we will try to model or to make a mathematical model about this problem to ensure how to give a detailed explanation of the behavior of concrete after adding the rubber to it as a main component in the concrete. Engineering department can help us to decrease how to increase green engineering by decreasing fuel consumption, innovation of more techniques to decrease the fuel consumption, and to use electric cars, which will help us in green engineering techniques. Many changes in the field will make different jobs for many engineers to work in this new field. Mechanical engineering يعني ممكن يستخدم بشكل كبير في تخفيف آثار الكلايمت تشينج عن طريق المساعدة أو الانوفيشن في تطوير motors to decrease fuel consumption. Also we can innovate in making electrical cars to decrease the energy to use a renewable energy. Also ممكن كمان توليد الطاقة الكهربائية من الرياح أو من كل المصادر السولار سيلز أو الأنواع المختلفة يعني. كل مجالات الرينيوبل انرجي دي هتبقى مصادر للطاقة في السنين القادمة يعني، فدي هتوفر فرص عمل كتير. الويست مانجمنت أيضا كأحد الفروع الخاصة بهندسة هتوفر برضو فرص كتير، وكريسايكلينج بروسيس برضو هتفضل تفتح مجال كبير للفرص العمل يعني. من اهم البروجكتس اللي بتساعد في الكلايمت تشينج هو توليد الطاقه الكهربائيه عن طريق الرياح اللي موجود في ليه كذا محطه في العين السخنه، وكمان المسابقات المشهوره عن الالكتريكال كارز، وطبعا ديت مسابقه يعني بنرش او دايما بنشجع الطلبه انها تشترك فيها كاحد الوسائل لتطوير الانواع المختلفه من السيارات الكهربائيه.